So today I'm going to make a spinning top, one of my favorite projects to make on the lathe. I really love spinning tops because you can play with them for a long time and it's just such a nice project to make. You can put in a lot of variation. I hammer in the drive center, then I apply the block of wood to the lathe. Adjust the tailstock, put some pressure on the wood, have it tight, and then put up the tool rest in the proper height and direction. Check if it's spinning freely, and then it's time to sharpen the roughing gouge. Just one quick go and then it's really sharp to go. Just make it round. Don't care too much for a finish here, because I will give a shape anyway. Put in a little foot to hold it in the chuck. I love the way the light catches the shape into it. Very nice. Then I take out the drive center and put on the chuck. The chuck I use is the SC3 from Racket Power. Really recommend that one. It's really nice chuck to use. I like the way the key is just easy, and always turn in the little grub screw to prevent it from coming loose. And then put the wood in the chuck. Then it's time to go sharpening. Then I use the spindle gouge for this, also sometimes called the detail gouge, 45-degree angle, and sharpen it on the Pro Edge sharpening system. They also do have Tormek. I like them both equally. Well, they're just a little bit more differentiated towards certain kinds of special uses. Then I start turning. I have to get rid of that little hollow in the end there, because the point of the spinning top will always otherwise be hollow, and that won't turn so nice. I'll give some shape to it. Still see some little bit of hollow there. Now it looks solid. It's always good to check regularly while turning. Also with the lathe standing still, to check if the point is still there. You can quite clearly see there was a lot of light here when I recorded this. Put in a little bit of detail. And then I start to shape the spinning top. I really love the way gouges turn this. You know, it goes very fast. It's quite rough, and then just one sweep of the gouge and it's really smooth again. I really love it when it's going like that. It's a really classic shape of a spinning top. I really like all kinds of shapes. You know, you can experiment really well with these things. Once I made one spinning top for a whole year, each day, one each day for a whole year, and that was very nice to do. I still had lots of ideas when I finished the year. So now I've finished the top from the bottom and the top, and now I'm going to sand it to make it very smooth. And the bottom as well. And I'm going to apply a little bit of beeswax. I sand to 180 grit and then 320, which is the finest grit I will mostly use. Won't go very fine, because the finish on the spinning top now is already very smooth. So there's one very big advantage of cutting with gouges. The finish you get from the cutting already is very smooth. apply some beeswax, you know, now see the warmth of the color. I used maple wood here, very nice wood. There's a very nice color in it. On the same slab of wood, it was also like lightly colored, but this is from the center of the wood, and it's quite dark. I really love it, the way it looks. It looks like a little bit of a wobble here, and I think it's, yeah, because of the wood got a little bit freed of its how you say, constraints. It looks more when it's slowed down by the frame rate. Then make a nice stem. I like this shape, a little bit rounded off. You can always sand with some sanding paper, make it very smooth. And also because the wood's turning very slowly in the center there, sometimes it's hard to get it smooth from the gouge. And a little bit of sandpaper makes it quite easy as well. Just feel with the fingers, always very good. Check how it feels. A little bit of beeswax, and then the spinning top is almost done. Really nice. So then it's time to stop the lathe and check it one more time before parting it off. And I also use the gouge for this. And then when it's done, it's time to test the spinning top, of course. So to see how well it turns. There you go. So spinning top is one very nice project to make on the lathe. I think it's very good for all levels. Also, when you already have some experience turning, it's very good to make spinning tops, just because they're very fun to play with, and you can experiment with design a lot with these things. You can experiment with different wood species, different shapes. You can look at the length of the handle and the thickness of the handle, of course. You can make decorations on them. You can finish them different ways. You can color them with pencils and Sharpies. You know, it's really, you can go anywhere. It looks a little bit wobbly here, but the spinning top, I timed this one. It's over a minute that it turns. Really nice. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will help to grow my channel way faster if you do that. And I will upload new videos soon. And also, if you have specific questions about wood turning, just ask them in the comments and I will get back with them and maybe even answer them in a video. So thanks for watching.